Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play FIFA better. We'll start by mastering the core controls. Focus on precise passing, powerful shooting, and agile dribbling. Practice defensive positioning and timely tackles to win back possession. Understanding player switching is crucial for maintaining a strong defensive line and launching quick counterattacks. These foundational skills are essential for building a solid gameplay strategy. Once you've got the basics down, it's time to explore advanced techniques. Incorporate skill moves like the ball roll or the fake shot to create space and outwit opponents. Timed finishing, when executed perfectly, significantly boosts your shot's power and accuracy, leading to more goals. Learning to deliver precise through balls and effective crosses will unlock numerous scoring chances for your team. Your tactical approach is just as important as your individual skill. Experiment with different formations, such as a 4-4-2 or a 4-3-3, to find what best complements your style. Customize player instructions to ensure your team behaves exactly as you intend, whether it's fullbacks joining the attack or midfielders staying back. Don't forget to make in-game adjustments to counter your opponent's strategy. Consistent practice is key to becoming a better FIFA player. Dedicate time to skill games and training modes to refine specific techniques. After matches, review your gameplay to pinpoint mistakes and areas where you can improve. Developing strong game sense, anticipating opponent moves, and understanding the flow of the game will give you a significant advantage on the virtual pitch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.